20 smart English phrases, with Urdu translation. 1. I appreciate your help. 2. That makes perfect sense. 3. Could you clarify that? 4. I totally agree with you. 5. Let's find a solution together. 6. I'll get back to you on that. 7. That's an interesting point. 8. I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? 9. I'll keep that in mind. 10. That's very thoughtful of you. 11. I admire your confidence. 12. Let's move forward. 13. I'm working on improving myself. 14. That was very helpful. 15. Let's stay focused. 16. I understand your concern. 17. I'll handle it. 18. Thanks for your patience. 19. Feel free to ask me anything. 20. I appreciate your time.